So, yeah, I don't think y'all got that last part. I think I ended the video. So, yeah, this is absolutely amazing. Can y'all see? Okay, we're gonna pick it back up, keep her going. So, I hope you all can hear me because I have my AirPods in and I'm covering them up because I was listening to some music but I lost connection. So I figured I would start recording. This is a really nice view. Really nice view. And you can hear the sound of the river as you walk, just like the other trail I did. One of the other trails I did, a couple of the others. Got a little small, interesting little stream right here. Really interesting, right? Really interesting stream. Yeah. I have my keys. Yeah, I don't have anywhere to really put them. Well, my key fob. But you can hear the sound of the river as I walk the shore. I didn't bring my tripod and I actually found it. Took it out. And yeah, people are out walking. Walking. So, it's interesting. Caution, falling rocks. Look, for the next caution, some rocks might be falling down. But as you see, there are no rocks here. That's a really nice view of the Red Rock. You can still hear the river as you walk. It's really nice. Enjoying my trail walk. I don't know how far this goes around. Say Falling Rocks for the next 2.25 miles, so we'll see. Yeah, there's some people coming up behind me, and I don't want to record them. I think I may stop this at 5 minutes and then restart it. Y'all, look at this view. Hold the line. Look at that view. It's really nice. And here's another view of the river. That is so steep. I am not about to slide down there. Well, just gonna keep it walking. So, this is really nice. Feels really good. I started walking that other trail down to this river, but it began to get more narrow and more woody. So I turned around because I am by my lonesome today. And my internet went out And I didn't want anything to happen to me without any recorded evidence. Really nice. Really, really, really nice. Yeah. This is really cool. It's really steep. The other one wasn't so steep to get down to the river. There were a lot of rocks, but yeah, this one actually a little over 5 minutes. There's another way down. If I didn't have this water bottle without my water bottle carrier, I could have gone down here, but you know, yeah, I'm actually really not even dressed for this particular trail today, but this place is so amazing. Can you see it? Can y'all see? Absolutely amazing. And you just walk the trail and you can hear the flow of the river. And then, of course, you have these periodical scenic views, you know. This one has a more rustic look, a rustic, rocky look. Really, really nice. So, this is really, really cool. I'm gonna take my time and do this trail. It goes in a circle, so it'll bring me back to where I started. Look at that little, yeah. No one's coming up behind me yet. Everyone is coming and passing me. I'm just taking my time and enjoying the ambiance and the essence of this trail walk. Yeah. This place is absolutely amazing, and the scenic views coming here is absolutely amazing. Now I'm gonna turn. Oh, we have a birdie. Hold on, let's see if we can get him. Y'all, I have the sniffles because it's really, really hot. Oh, look at the birdie. Let's see if y'all can see him. He's in the tree. Let's see if he'll let us get a view. Can y'all see him? He flew away. He flew away. So, ta-da! Yeah. And I am gonna walk right under it. Yeah. Here we go. I feel like I'm in heaven, okay? Yeah. This has to be heaven on earth. Heaven on earth, honey. I am. Look at this beauty. Oh. Look at that beauty. Not me, y'all. I'm talking about me too. Look at that. So, it's coming up on 10 minutes. So I'm going to stop this video and then restart it. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to end it with a view of this rocky river, or rocky stream rather. There's a little birdie. Hold on. And then I'm gonna end it and I'll bring you all back up later. Oh, look at that pretty green. Can you see it? Can y'all see it? Anywho, I'll bring y'all up on the next one. Bye. Peace and beautiful blessings.